I'm Meteorologist Adam Stiles. We're keeping an eye on just that last little bit of showers to roll through here with this round that we saw earlier today. Quick downpours and winds that were gusting close to 90 kilometers per hour. The heaviest stuff has moved to the south. We still have some showers in the east end right now. Let's take a look at the radar and we'll show you a round of showers right now through Oshawa and Clarington. It wouldn't be surprised if we see a lightning strike firing up here, as there's still some heat and some humidity and enough uplift in the atmosphere to get things rolling. That line of showers does extend back in through the north end of the GTA, so we're not done with it just yet, as it all continues to move down toward the south and to the east. So some wet weather possible until about 8 o'clock tonight, then we should get out of it. So what I'm showing you here is the current dew points for the area. And this is a better measurement of how much moisture is in the actual atmosphere or right at the surface. So we're looking at a dew point of 21, 23 in Hamilton, where there's a little bit more water because that rain that just rolled through, and 23 in Windsor. The reason I'm showing you this is because when we start getting into the teens, that's when you're going to start to not feel that humidity nearly as much. If I showed you the relative humidity, it doesn't really make much sense and doesn't really tell much of a story. It makes it feel like it's more humid in Muskoka. There's more water in the air, but that's not actually the case. So 66% relative humidity here, 52 in Windsor. And then I put the HUMIDEX on top of it to really confuse you all. 44 the current HUMIDEX readings, even though the dew point temperatures are pretty close around the area, feels a lot different on the human skin. So when we start to drop that dew point is when you're going to start to notice that humidity getting cut. We're looking at temperatures tomorrow. About 19 degrees to get things started. A partly cloudy sky into the morning as we head in through midday. Sunshine expected and temperatures up to 24. UV index 10. Very high on the scale. Burn time is going to be about 15 minutes at that point. So remember that sun protection. You're going to need it. As you head into the afternoon, more sunshine and a high of 25. Pretty close to the seasonal average. We're getting close to that 24-degree mark here for that average high temperature. We will see a warm-up coming our way on Wednesday as we heat things back up, but then a cold front moves through. This one does look to be fairly dry. It'll just produce some cloud cover here, and temperatures will drop down into the lower 20s there for Thursday with sunshine. As we get into the weekend, though, things become a little unsettled. Scattered storms expected there on Saturday. On Sunday for the Pride Parade here in Toronto, temperatures expected near 26. I'm going to keep a close eye on that spotty rain, and we'll try to time that out for you as the event gets a little closer to us. So what we're looking at, one more little mini warm-up before things get back closer to that seasonal mark. I'll have an updated forecast tonight at 11 o'clock.